Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to only see videos on your photos on your iPhone. So if we find the application and we go to it, in the upper right side of the screen, there's going to be three little dots. Select that. Then go on down to Filters. Then we have four options under here. We have Favorites, Edited, Photos, and Videos. Select Videos. Now we will only see our videos under here, and no photographs will be in this. And then we can easily go back to this, go to Filters, and then we can go to all items on the top to return how it was, or we can go to favorites and only see our favorite photos or videos that we have selected. So we can go back now and go to all items on the top, and that will basically remove the filters. So if we want a favorite, we just have to hold down on the item and then press the heart, then go back here, filter, favorites, and I have that one video listed under here, which is a dog playing with a coconut. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.